Last week, we had a transit walk to Thomas Hospital and observed the pediatrics. In this video, we will share what we observed regarding both aspects of human security, safety, and protection, and also we will share our recommendations to improve with a stress on the second notion. Our theme question is, how does child health care can make a difference in their human security? Before we dig deeper, let us define the meaning of health. According to WHO, health includes not only physical well-being, but also mental and social well-being of a person. Security relates to the environment. The more secure, comfortable, and healthy the environment is, the safer, happier, and capable human feels and become. The same applies to children. Rather, we all believe that children are vulnerable and thus need care and a safer environment for their well-being. What are the concerns obtained from an observation that might impact children's well-being? These include the playground, the setting of the treatment area, comfort of the parents, and efficient use of resources. Going back to our transit walk at Pediatrics, we saw that there is a playground for children to play, which is cool. It is in a small, glass-protected room between the departments, with a roof on top, with sides open, allowing the sunlight. Getting sunlight is a good thing. However, the room traps the heat and makes it a very hot place to play, as there is no conditioner. Moreover, the playground seems very dry and artificial, because there is no balance between nature and recreational equipment. So, we would like to recommend to install plants in nature. The cooling effect of plants can reduce the heat intensity and also provide fresh air. This might raise bugs' concern, but we can prevent this issue by planting specific species of plants that drives the insects away. Another thing we have observed in a playground is that there is a shoe rack for children, but not for adults. As a result, many children took off their shoes, but some adults did not. This can create hygiene and cleanliness issues. Therefore, in order to ensure hygiene, we suggest the provision of indoor shoes and shoe rack for both adults and children. One more thing we have noticed is that there was a lack of appropriate equipment and space for children from different age groups. It is commonly assumed that one size fits all. There are no choice for small kids but for the old ones. Similarly, there was no separate playgrounds for different age groups, which could be dangerous for small kids. So we recommend separate playgrounds for different age ranges, for example by building stories. Physical activity-related equipment such as seesaw and slides for older children, provision of toys such as Lego and fluffy toys for younger children would be appropriate and safe for them to play. A library could be built to familiarize children with reading cartoons or books, which is particularly important in this era because we saw some other children were engaged in mobile phones. It is well known from many research that mobile phones are unhealthy for young children, and engaging them in some healthy physical or mental activity is a better alternative. There are CCTV cameras in the playground, which is a positive thing for the safety of children. However, there was no security guard, neither at playground nor the treatment area. So, we suggest a full-time security guard for extra protection for children. There were blocks of cell-like rooms and a low ceiling. The room temperature was very cold and the smell of medicines was very strong. These factors create a feeling of exoticness and suffocation for people. It was also noisy as some children were crying. However, as we strongly believe that built environment has a huge impact on humans' emotional well-being, which is an important aspect of overall health, we recommend to improve it by playing some music that are soft and relaxing. The wall could be also painted colorfully or painted with cartoons to make it more child-friendly. We observed that parents carry their children and stand in the long queue. The wheelchairs are available, but they are for adults. Since one size doesn't fit all, we recommend baby wheelchairs that could be sized according to the age and size of children for the convenience of parents using frugal innovation. We found some inefficient use of resources, such as TV and books. There was a TV in the department, but it is not in use. This resource could be used efficiently by displaying some health promotion content, such as hygiene. Our recommendations are based on some aspects of capability approach that increases choices, such as providing books and baby chairs, enabling access to childcare education, which will lead to increasing importance in a society and long-term security, as healthy children means healthy society. The limitation of this study is that it was solely based on observation method, which does not represent the whole story or could be biased, and we had very limited time to learn deeply. Hope you have learned something. Please feel free to share what you think about this video. Thank you for watching.